Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by minimizing variables. Sign out and back in, or reboot to clear transient issues. Once done, confirm Windows Update has no pending installs because updates often fix start menu bugs. Next, open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt. Run sfc/scano to repair corrupt system files. This scans and replaces damaged components that the start menu depends on. Make sure you run PowerShell as administrator, then let the scan finish before proceeding to more invasive steps. Now address Start as an app. Open Elevated PowerShell and identify Start and Shell Experience host packages. Remove and then reinstall them to reset their state. If reinstallation fails, re-register all app packages using getapps, package all users and add apps package with the package manifest. This refreshes tile and identity metadata. Also, restart Windows Explorer and related processes, Shell Experience Host and Search Host, because these services render the menu. Make sure to save work first. Restarting Explorer is safe, but will refresh the desktop. Finish by isolating profile versus system faults. Create a new local administrator account and sign in. If Start works there, your original profile is corrupted. If the problem is system-wide, perform an in-place upgrade repair using the Windows 11 installation media to replace core files without losing apps or data. If neither helps, revert to a recent system restore point or as last resort backup data and perform a clean install. Tip: before reinstalling, export your Start layout and backup important user.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.